actually saw one more. Little one, though. Oh, man. Whoa! That's a big one, man. So this is a remote control. This should be able to go anywhere with these tires.
Yeah.
And this is one, look at, you push these buttons. Look at that.
Wow. What do you think? I kind of like the one Blippi saw in the store.
Yay!
Feel to you. All right, man, let's see. Watch out, Bailey. Ah, that thing's flying. Oh, over the rock. Ow. Whoa. Oh, big tree. Ooh, he made it. No, he doesn't want to go down. He wants to drive. Oh no, he's gonna flip. Ooh, yeah.
May not go about it.
Well, you can sail for a bit. I don't have work for a little while.
I died.
Oh, you're gonna go down the roller coaster? Ooh, good think, man. Whoa! Hey, there you go. Now you're turning, Mav. Now you're getting it. Oh, no. Ooh. That's not good. Hi. What's that tree, Mav?
There.
All right, there you go. Watch out for the slide. Ooh. Uh-oh. How you getting out of this? You need me to tow you? Right now. Oh, you're gonna go in that hole. Let's see if you can get out of that. Push the gas hard. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Keep going. Don't stop the gas. Uh-oh. I think the battery is running low. I'm not going very fast now. Wow, this thing goes everywhere. Come on there.
Daddy.
Sure, Brightly. What? That's my jacket. You like that one? New one, yeah.
Oh.
That cool, right?
Yeah.
You noticed. Hey, there's Chucky. What about his knife? Do you see his knife up there, Riot?
No.
Oh, his knife's in his hand.
Bill.
Right here. We got Chucky.